Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, Canada and London. And I also share my daily analysis on 10 currency pairs including USDCAD. Okay, so this video is for today, 23rd Feb 2021, Tuesday. Okay. I'm using the 1 hour time frame. So you can see that right now it is trading at 1.2617. So two important levels for the day are 1.25892 and 1.2653. Because as of now market is in a no trading zone. We'll say you do not need to trade here. This is the support and this is the resistance. If you if you get it somewhere around here 1.2590 level, and if you see that it has taken support again, if it bounces from there, then you can go for a buy order. Okay, but confirmation is important. I think it should get a support again because there is a considerable amount of support available at this level. Okay, so if it comes down and hits this level, and if you spot some reversal sign or bounce of sign, then you can go for a buy order. Okay, for 30-40 pips easily. And in case this time it fails to provide support and selling pressure is high from the bear side, then you can short the market. Okay, let me draw it for you. You can short the market here, and if it bounces, okay, if you see reversal or price rejection from below, then understand that okay, that means bulls are still not allowing the market to go below that level. And if you see that okay, bulls have lost their control and bears are in charge now, okay, if you see something like that, okay, then you can short the market, and if it bounces you can buy here. And on the other hand, if it goes up and reaches this level of 1.2653, then you can short the market. Okay, if you see anything like this, means price rejection from above. If it goes up and if you see that okay, though it has gone up, but there is not much pressure from the bull side, bulls are not in charge. Okay, and if you see price rejection from above, that means that okay, though it is going up, it is about to hit the resistance and it is about to reverse. If you see reversal pattern, then you can short the market. Okay, and if you see that suddenly there is a good amount of pressure from the bulls and they have taken the charge, then you can go ahead and buy only above this level. Okay, above this blue line. Okay, not before that. So confirmation is important. Buy above this, sell above this. And if it bounces from here, you can buy here, and if it bounces from if it reverses from, you can sell here. So these two are the important levels for the day for US dollar and Canadian dollar. Hopefully you all have understood, and if you have found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and like my video and subscribe to my channel for daily market analysis. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.